Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send JotForm responses to multiple Google Sheets. So the idea here is that we have created a form in the JotForm. So it can be any type of form, a contact form, a consent form or a feedback form. And we have created in the JotForm. So you can use Elementor form, Google Forms or Typeform or any other form building software application to create the form. So now we have created a form where we have few questions and even one of the question is having multiple choice answers. So now we want that whenever the form is filled and the response is received, all the details of the customer should be captured in one of the Google Sheets, and the question which is having multiple choice answers, the details should be captured in other Google Sheets. For that, we need to create a link between JotForm and multiple Google Sheets. So this automation can be useful when you want to do the customer follow-ups or for the polling purposes, or if you want to assign the task to your team members. So how this complete process works automatically, this I'll be showing you as a real-time example on my screen, and how we are going to do the integration process, that we are going to learn in the further steps of the video. So this is my examination consent form which I have created using JotForm, where I am asking for the first name, last name, email address and mobile number of the student along with the consent for the mode of examination. Okay, and this is my Google Sheet where I want to bifurcate the data. Okay, so I want the student details to be captured in this particular sheet, that is student details sheet. Okay, and I want the response or the consent to be captured over here in this consent sheet. So I'm just going to fill up the form details first. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. I'll add the mobile number over here. Along with that, I'll just take the choice of the mode of examination, that is online, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check the Google Sheet. Okay, and here we can see the submission ID, first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address and mobile number. So all the details of the student are captured over here. Now let us check the response sheet. Okay, and here we can find the submission ID, student name Adam Smith and the consent over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the JotForm over here, that is the examination consent form, and automatically the details of the student and the form submission are captured in the multiple Google Sheets over here. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between JotForm and multiple Google Sheets, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating JotForm with multiple Google Sheets automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the form submission, and using those details, automatically the data will be collected into multiple Google Sheets. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between JotForm and multiple Google Sheets automatically using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as JotForm and multiple Google Sheets integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, Action means do this. So in this use case, we want the form responses to be captured from JotForm. So open this trigger window. Here in the choose app, let us find JotForm. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for the webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here. I'll take you to the JotForm which I have created to capture the responses. So this is my JotForm account where I have created few forms. Here we are going to use this examination consent form. Okay, here we can see that we have 0 submissions over here. So we are going to just click on this edit form and I will just open the form. Now here we can see the examination consent form where I have asked for the first name, last name, email address and mobile number of the student along with a consent for the mode of examination. So if you want to add some more form elements over here, so by clicking on this plus sign add form element, you can add the elements over here. Okay. So now we have to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect. For that, come to the settings tab. Here we can find the integrations option. Click on integrations. And here in the search bar, we have to search for webhooks. Click on it. Now it is asking to add a webhook over here. So we just have to add the same webhook URL over here which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay. And now let's click on complete integration. Okay, here we can see the integration is ready. So let's click on finish. And here we can see that a tick mark is there on the webhooks option. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, first we have to do a form submission over there. So let's go to the form. Here we have to click on this publish tab. So this is the form link which we can share with our students to fill up the details. So I'll just open this form in a new tab over here. Okay. And now I'm just going to fill up the form details. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. I'll add the mobile number over here. Okay, along with that, tick your choice for the mode of examination. So I'm just selecting it as online. Okay, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the form submission are captured over here. Here we can find the form title. Okay. Here we can find the first name, last name, email address and mobile number of the student. Along with that, the consent. Okay. And all other details related to the form. So now we want to bifurcate this data into the multiple Google Sheets. For that, come to this action window. Here in the choose app, let us find Google Sheets. In the action event, we have to select add new row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Sheets. Choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect Sheets. So here we have to choose an account where we have already created the Google Sheets. So I'm just going to choose my account. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. So I'll just click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, now we can see that the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as I am already connected to Pabbly Connect, here in the spreadsheet we can find all the sheets that I have created into my Google Sheets. So I'll just take you to my Google Sheet. Class 10 examination consent Google Sheet over here where I have created 2 sheets, that is student details and the response. Okay, I'll just take you one by one. Here I want submission ID, first name, last name, email address and mobile number of the student. All the details related to the student. And in this particular sheet, I want the response. Okay, what is the consent they are giving for the examination. So I want to bifurcate the data to these 2 different sheets. Okay, that is student details as well as the responses sheet. So let us select this sheet, that is class 10 examination consent here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to select the same sheet over here. Now here we have to select this sheet. So the first sheet we are going to add the details, that is student details. So I am selecting this particular sheet for the first integration, that is student details. From the drop down we can select the sheet name. Okay. Now here we have to map the details that we want to enter into this particular Google Sheet. So we have already got all these details from the form submission over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. So I'm just going to map the submission ID from Jot form, and this was the submission ID. Here we have to map the first name of the student, that is Shikha. Last name from Jot form, and the last name was Arya. Okay. Here we have to map the email address. Okay, this one. And at last the mobile number. So let us find the mobile number. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have mapped all the details. Now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. Now let us check our Google Sheet. And here we can see that the student details are captured over here. Submission ID, first name, last name, email address and mobile number. So now we want to capture the consent details in the response sheet over here. So for that we have to go to the Pabbly Connect once again. Scroll down, come to this plus sign and click on Add Actions tab. In the Choose app, we are going to find Google Sheets once again. In the action event, let us again select Add New Row. Click on Connect. Here we are just going to select the existing connection just because we have recently created a connection. Let's click on Save. Now here we can see that the Google Sheets are connected. Now again we have to select the spreadsheet name over here. So the spreadsheet name is same, that is Class 10 Examination Consent. Okay, I'll just take you once again. Yes, Class 10 Examination Consent. Okay, here we have to select the sheet name. So this time the sheet name will be Response. So let us change the sheet name over here to Response. Now here also we have to map the details, that is the submission ID. So let us map it from Jot form, and this was the submission ID. Here we have to map the student name from Jot form, and the student name was Shikha, as well as the last name, that is Arya. Okay. Now here we have to map the consent. Now let us map the consent from Jot form once again, and the consent was online from home. So here we can see that all the details have been mapped. Now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. Now let us check our Google Sheet. Okay, and here we can see that the details of the consent are captured over here. That is the submission ID, student name and the consent. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now we have to check this in the real time. For that we have to create one more form submission of the name of some other student now. So I'm just going to open the form in our new tab. This time let us give the name as Kuldeep Gupta. Email address as kuldeepg22@gmail.com. I'm going to add the mobile number over here. Along with that, choose your choice of mode of examination, that is offline. And let's click on Submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, now let us check the Google Sheet. Okay, and here we can see that the details of the student are captured over here. Submission ID, first name Kuldeep, last name Gupta, email address along with the mobile number. And here in the Responses tab, we can find the consent along with the submission ID, student name and the consent, that is offline from school. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize the trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the response details, and using those details we have bifurcated the data into multiple Google Sheets. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Jotform and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.